Hey everybody, this is Mike out here at Twin Ports Munitions and Twin Ports Concealed Carry. It's been quite a while since we did one of these videos, which is what it is, but you know, had to take a break, right? That one was damn hard work. But anyways, the reason I'm speaking with you today is Minnesota made some drastic changes. Okay, I don't like drastic changes, especially when they affect me. So Minnesota, the Department of Public Safety, came to the conclusion that they, well actually they redid the reciprocity on what states are accepted and which ones are not. Well, all of you Wisconsinites that carry in Minnesota under a Utah permit, you're no longer legal to do so. Yeah, as of yesterday, Minnesota does not accept a Utah permit to carry concealed in the state of Minnesota. This affects me, and it affects a lot of you, because we've trained hundreds of people since 2011. Okay, so with that being said, those of you that took our class within the last year, you're good. Okay, your class was already complete and ready for this. You all had a shooting qualification. That's the only reason that Utah is no longer accepted by Minnesota, is the shooting qualification. Well, the good news is if you've taken our class within the last year, you took a Wisconsin, Minnesota, Florida, Utah class. We teach one class. You can get all 4 licenses, you can get one. We don't care. But by the time you leave, you're prepared, able, and set up to get all 4. What does that mean for those of you that went and you saw someone else who never had any range, or you just went and sat in a hotel conference room and then you were done 4 hours later? Well, that means you guys have to pay for a full class because your training didn't involve any range time. I mean, I joke about it at every class, why someone would want to certify someone under their name and never watch a man shoot. I mean, we live by all of you. Man or woman, excuse me. We've had a bunch of women take the course. But why would you want your name on a certificate for someone you've never seen shoot? I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm all for constitutional carry, but then at the same time, I'm not for getting shot in the ass because somebody can't hit the damn target. So, if you've taken our class within the year, you're basically good. Okay, you did your shooting qualifications, you're qualified for the Wisconsin, Minnesota, Florida, and Utah permits. Okay, if you took it prior to that, we'll do some makeup classes, some Minnesota only classes, me and Nate will. And then, yeah, basically you guys contact me, get on twinportsmunitions.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page, just contact us, there's phone numbers, there's email, okay, get a hold of us, hop on Facebook, okay, Twin Ports Ammo, Twin Ports Concealed Carry, hop on Google+, Twin Ports Ammo, okay, you can hop on basically all our social platforms, whoever you want to contact us, feel free, LinkedIn, Google+, Facebook, you name it, alright, we're here to help you, and we know this is going to be a big. I just had to do it today. I had to go up and actually apply for my Minnesota permit as well because, like I've told all of you in our classes, I carry under a Utah permit and I'm a Utah instructor. Well, that doesn't do me a whole lot of good. I just got lucky because my Utah certification is about to run out in September, and I was actually going to leave in 2 weeks to go recertify out in Utah. Well, that ain't going to happen. It's kind of pointless now. So, another thing, I mean, you guys have all, if you guys do a lot of traveling, you guys that took our class, you're already certified for Florida. Okay? Normally, if someone teaches a Wisconsin only class, you don't qualify for Florida. The training, the 4-hour training with no shooting qualification, doesn't suffice for a Florida permit. You take our class, you're good. You did the shooting qualification. Okay? You guys are qualified. I've had quite a few of you, take up that opportunity and go get that Florida. That Florida permit is just as good as Utah, and you can get it in a 7-year time frame too, instead of the normal 5 years like the rest of the states. So it lasts a little bit longer. Okay, so that's another option. A lot of you people that head down south for the winters like going to Florida. Well, that Utah was never accepted in Florida, but now you go and get to Florida, now you're good. You can carry your gun in your motorhome, in your RV, whatever you want to do. You can have it on your person the whole time. Okay? We just want to make sure we get this out. You know, let people know. If you know that people are carrying a Utah permit in their wallet and they use that to carry in Minnesota, tell them so they don't get arrested for it. Okay? The sheriff I talked to today, I'm assuming he was a sheriff. He's the one who did my paperwork, but he had no idea that this even changed. So with that being said, you know, if you guys get any questions, hop on twinforcemunitions.com, hop on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, you name it, anything. Get a hold of us. We'll do whatever we can to help you, and we're going to have a bunch of classes coming up here in the next week or two, just Minnesota straight classes, and we're going to try and get you guys all caught up. You know, I'm not going to lie, I was furious when I found out. Not that it was anything hard, you know, but it's just a simple fact that I've been able to carry for years in Minnesota under the Utah permit, and now all of a sudden I have to change it. Not a big deal. Now it's not a big deal that I've got all the paperwork done, but as I was scrambling to try and fit it in my schedule to, you know, head up to Minnesota to get it done, well, it wasn't too pleasurable. But hey, I appreciate all you guys that watch this. If you could take and share this, you know, if you know someone that has a carry permit, that, you know, they're a friend, they're a loved one, whatever the case may be, share this with them. You know, we have to let all these people know, because for years Utah has been accepted in Minnesota. Now it's not. Okay, there's no reason any law-abiding citizen who thinks they're doing the right thing, and no one I know in their right mind would actively go check the Department of Public Safety's website on a weekly basis to figure out if they're still legal to carry. Okay, it just doesn't happen. So make sure you help pass the word. Okay, everyone you know, post it on your Facebook page. Hey, Utah is no longer accepted for Minnesota. Share this video. Share something. Let people know. Okay, there's no reason that we need a bunch of people getting fines for something that we can prevent. All right, so that's basically all I got for you. All of you that have shopped with us, that support us day in and day out, hey, thank you guys. I mean, we really appreciate it. We kind of took on a big role, you know, trying to start all this up. No loans, no nothing, just going on a whim and doing it. You know, the funny thing I make a joke of with all the guys, that all our business plans have all started over a glass of whiskey, which, you know, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but we make it work, we make it happen. So I just want to thank all of you. I mean, you guys are great. You put up with our rant on Facebook. You know, you guys are great. All right, have a wonderful night.